สวัสดีวันนี้ปูจะมาสอน Today I'm gonna teach you how to delete the permanent marker from the board. Okay, I just accidentally write the use the permanent marker on the board and I cannot delete it. So I use hider. Hider is the white cloth softener. Is the softener for white clothes, and I pour it on the cloth and then I delete it. Yeah, you can see it start to disappear, the marker on the board. Okay, and you can also clean the rest of the board. The board is gonna be whiter.